Everyone, I welcome you here. So today we are studying Rabindranath Tagore, his poem Where the Mind is Without Fear, a very beautiful poem. Perhaps the poem was composed in 1900 and later it came into limelight in 1901. At that time the name of the poem was Prarthana, that means prayer. It was written in Bengali version of Gitanjali. Later it was translated into English by Rabindranath Tagore himself. He won Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930, especially for Gitanjali in literature. This poem is very beautiful and fantastic poem. We are going to explain it in very simple and easy way today. So let's begin with the poem. A prayer to the God and the Almighty for a true freedom of India, where the mind is without fear. He wishes for a country where the people will be living a life full of courage and happiness without any fear in their mind and heart. And the head is held high, अपना सिर ऊपर उठाकर जी सकेंगे. Where knowledge is free, knowledge सबके लिए free रहेगा. Where the world hasn't been broken up into fragments. Tagore wishes for a world which is not fragmented by any kind of caste, creed, religion and other baseless superstitions. यहाँ पे डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स की बात हुई है. धर्म के नाम पर, जाति के नाम पर लोगों का बंटवारा नहीं होगा. एक ऐसे भारत की कल्पना रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर करते हैं. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Tagore wants a nation where people are truthful. They shouldn't be superficial and words should come out from the depth of their hearts. लोगों के दिल में सच्चाई होगी. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where tireless striving, बिना थके मेहनत करने वाले लोग होंगे, and its arm towards perfection, and they will focus towards perfection only. Tagore talks about his desire for a country where people would strive without getting tired. बिना थके मेहनत करेंगे to reach perfection. Perfection तक पहुंचने के लिए, leaving behind old traditions. Where the clear stream of reason hasn't lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Tagore has used a metaphor and compared reason to a clear stream that flows smoothly. People will focus on something which is reasonable, where the mind is led forward by the into ever widening. Tagore wishes his countrymen to be open-minded and progressive. उनके थॉट में और एक्शन में इस तरह की चीज़ें दिखेंगी. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Through this line, Tagore expresses his vision of India as a heaven where there is freedom of thought, spirit, faith, speech, which will lead to the inner perfection of the self. Thus, Tagore wants spiritual, intellectual, political freedom for his country. Sufficient for today. I hope you like this poem.